So I've heard some stuff in my lifetime, but if you take transportation publicly and you have to deal with random persons on the bus, or the bus driver random himself, the things you can hear, you just wish to the Lord that you could have blocked them out. And yeah, the headset that I had, or the earbuds I should say that had no noise cancellation. So more time me hear everything.
I put in my tongue, then I take it out, then I lick it up, then I lick it down, then I jiggle my tongue, then I chuck in 2 fingers and do it fast.
Come whining on my face, come whining on my face. Big body girl, come whining on my face, come whining on my face, come whining on my face.
Remember me used to bro, as I'm a see 10 million in the way. I'm seeing no obstacles coming out of the way.
So from day one, me I look for a noise cancelling earbud where can actually stack up to public transportation and the stuff where me I go through. And here comes the Redmi Buds 4 Pro. Can it help? Is it strong enough? Can it block out some of those curse words? So here we have the saving grace for my ears and public transportation, the Redmi Buds 4 Pro. Now there are some really bold claims on the noise cancellation on these earbuds, and I'm hoping they're true because it's going to need a whole lot to actually block out some of these noises, music, curse words, all of the problem them where you face on public transportation. Okay, so before we go into the unboxing of the Redmi Buds 4 Pro, I have to give a big shout out to my daily drivers, and they are, I still can't pronounce the name, but if you want to actually check out the review on these earbuds, which they are excellent but they don't have noise cancellation, you can click the link in the top right hand corner. They're good. The sound quality is excellent. They have some cool features, but they are not noise cancelling, and that is a major problem because when you're on public transportation, you hardly can hear music on these earbuds. So let's get right to the main event. So while we actually figure out how to take off this plastic off the Redmi Buds 4 Pro, let's go over some of the key features that it, this type, jeez. Let's go over some of the key features that it has. It has high-res audio certified with dual drivers, and it supports LDAC as well. That's a codec that gives you really high quality audio, and it also comes with up to 43 decibels of active noise cancellation with transparency mode, and the battery life on this thing is up to 36 hours with the charging case. It also has convenient dual device connectivity. Okay, so you can actually connect this to 2 devices. All right, let's see what's in the box. John, the plastic, another only thing tight on this. Jeez. Whew. Okay, so we got it open. Now, inside the box, you have a, this sponge is nice, so it doesn't scratch the finish. Okay, so this is the Redmi Buds 4 Pro. I don't know. I don't know. I might be biased. I don't like white, but it does come in black as well. I just have the white for review. I have some really bad experience with white earbuds.
Oh my.
You don't have to show
You know that earbuds go in your ears and not in your body.
Anyway, when you go further down in the box, you find a little rectangular box with 2 pairs of tips for the earbuds. Now these are different sizes. You have small, you have large, and the medium comes pre-installed on the buds. Yeah. Okay, and then you have a little plastic bag inside with a USB type C to USB type A charging cable, and you get a very thick manual. I mean, this is some thick manual. So this is the Redmi Buds 4 Pro in all its glory. This is the case and the buds, and to be honest, the case is pretty compact. It's definitely smaller than the one that I had, but it's a little bit thicker though. Anyway, let's try to get this plastic off and actually see the buds for its. Where the back side go on here, so? How this a glue? This so hard for come off. May I do something wrong? Let me see if I can find. Can I pull for here, so? No, seriously. How you take off this plastic? Alright, let me pull again. Jeez. No, sir. Yeah, you need some muscle strength to pull that thing. Get off. Okay, so I actually survived that one. And these are the Redmi Buds 4 Pro. And I'm going to be honest, I'm liking the finish and the fit of the case. Still wish it was black though. It has a nice weight to it. Now, the buds themselves are tiny, and the orange and white part is actually touch sensitive. So they're touch controls, not gesture controls. Thank the Lord. I hate those gesture controls earbuds. They never seem to work properly. But the buds themselves are very small and they definitely look like they're not going to protrude too much out the ears when you're using them. Now, I have to be honest, the tech that is actually in this small bud is amazing. I mean, they have noise cancellation, but they also have some sensors to detect when it's actually in the ear or out the ear to pause and play the music. They call it skin detection. I mean, yeah. Anyhow, folks, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for commenting. And stay tuned because the review for this is going to be epic, because I definitely want to see if it can survive public transportation. Until next time, keep safe. Peace.
Snakes in the grass, you gotta watch where you step. Blood on the leaves, you either kill or be killed. When there's food on the table, you either eat or you starve. And when there's sharks in the water, you either sink or you swim. It's a jungle out there. It's a jungle out there. It's a jungle out there.